The washing machine is absolutely a winner.
I wake up to a little shake and I was like, and then the alarm went off.
There is 35 knots of wind outside. Today is the perfect day to show you my Italian pizza.
I thought it would be a great solution, and it is, but let us see how I lose my anvil in the water. That's done. Cool. That was way too easy. And I don't trust when things are this easy. So let me see what happens. Yeah, that's always the problem. I need to jerk jerk the chain off a little bit in order to get rid of the piling that happens just under here. Yeah, exactly. This is part of the horrible designs that this boat have. But yeah, and anyhow, this is gonna be long. Cazzo, funziona davvero, eh? This is how everything comes out of the laundry machine, washing machine. It works really well. It works really well. These are my lucky briefs, and the smell is good. It's fairly dry. It's not dry, but it's fairly dry. At least there's no droppings or dropping water or anything, and the smell is really good. So I think the washing machine is absolutely a winner.
Phrasing?
So it is 7 in the morning and I was happily sleepy. Yesterday was the blonde's birthday, so we have something to drink. We have a good date night. We went out, we had steak dinner. We went to sleep, I think it was about 1 a.m. Sorry for the voice, but the blonde is still sleeping in the other cabin. I wake up to a little shake and I was like, and then the alarm went off and I was like, God. So this is the situation at the moment. Here it is. It's 22 with 27.3. This is the tendency. So I think then I saw predict winds. So this is this is what is coming our way. Okay, cool. This is gonna be the day. Boom. You see that? That's me. 50 knots. Today, by the end of the day, let's say. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to go outside, check the lazy lines, check the mooring lines, and like a general overview with the situation with the two boats on our sides, just to be sure that we have enough space and everything, and the bumpers are there. Still bits being in the office, that's for sure. In general, there are no issues whatsoever. Everything, all the lazy lines, all good. Besides the fact that we forgot, the two of us forgot the cushion outside, so all that soaking wet, but all the lines and everything look good. So I only can imagine the amount of wave that are out there. I think you can see them bashing between the boats, but we are okay. Everything looks good. It's just wind.
Mamma che schifo, tutto bagnato. Devo fare una doccia. amazing. That's a 10 meter. That's a 10-meter wave. That's 10 meters.
Yeah, this is a big one.
Okay, today is the perfect day to show you my Italian pizza because today we have absolutely nothing to eat on the boat and there is 35 knots of wind outside with rain, so let's get started. Okay, this is the ingredients for the pizza: flour, salt, sugar, yeast. Come si dice lievito? Yeast. And okay, we finished the dough and now we leave it to rest at least 1 hour. 1 hour has passed and right now we put it over here and we leave it there another hour.
One hour later.
Okay, and now we put the pizza in the oven, but maybe 20-25 minutes. Okay, pizza is in the oven and halfway through cooking we will put the rest of the topping of the ingredients of the pizza, like mozzarella, cheese. I don't have much to put on top of this pizza because it was not the plan. I will put Worcester and mozzarella and that's it.
Is it halal?
Is what? What? Ask again?
Is it halal?
Yes.
Gentlemen, manager's laboratory, please.
Okay, pizza is finished. It looked delicious. Buona.
Very good.
Outside it's getting worse. It's very cold. It's still raining. How much wind?
40.5. Today work, new day, new boat project. We are now at the aesthetic parts of the jobs. Everything else that we needed to the part is done. We are not gonna part today, of course, because there are 52 knots just outside of the marina. One thing that we need to fix is the door of the bathroom, of the head, where we shower. This boat doesn't have a shower separated from the bathroom itself, so essentially it's one thing. And when you take a shower, everything gets wet. There's nothing to do there. This boat wasn't a owner's boat, but this was probably built for charter. They never used it for charter, but this is the typical one built for charter. So what you want to have is the most amount of berth possible and little heads. So the problem that we have is right here. So the doors, being this a Bavaria and not an Amel, are actually made of what I believe is some kind of paper or compressed paper, so cardboard or something like that, with a thin lamination of real wood. So under here, where the water touches and accumulates, it started rotting. So because when you close the door, this will be on top of this, and as you can see, when you take a shower, water will stay here. My immediate 2-cent solution will be this. What I want to do, we bought auto adhesive paper, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to dismount the door itself, and I'm gonna wrap the bottom part coming up this high in each side, and just wrap that part so water will not keep draining inside of it. I don't want to dismount the door. Again, it's being done by I'm 100%, 98% sure that door are all the doors for that matters are made of pressed cardboard. I don't want to undo the screws because I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to screw it back again, or it will not wiggle or have any problem in the future. So, but I saw that, with the door open, I can do this. So what I want to do, I'm just gonna cut this to the size, attach it with the door open, and it should be good like that. Let's see how that goes. I thought it would be a great solution, and it is, but the doors are not flat, they are curved, and that defeats the purpose because there's no way to attach this in the right way. So yeah, this solution is not the right one. And else, if any of you guys know how to, or what to do, what should I do, please leave it on the comments, because this is becoming a real problem and I don't have a solution for it.